Hi there, today going to learn about how to create a clickable phone number in our Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website and I want to add a phone number right here. But what I want to do is when the users click on the phone number, they will be automatically led to their calling application from their phone or from their desktop, and then it will automatically call that number. So what we're going to do is we're going to add elements, then we can just use a text for it, and for example right here, and we can just insert we can just put it like that, and then we can add an icon, for example like a vector art. I'm sorry, we can just click on it again, example this one, and then I'll just change it into a telephone. And then we'll now add our text for our contact number. Oops. Click on edit text, insert the number. Sorry, I just turned on the number lock in my keyboard, and then now we have this. And then from here, you can edit some other options if you want. If you want to edit the font style, the font size, and then so on and so forth. But in order to make this clickable, we can just click this and then click on link. And then from here, we can just click on the phone number and then insert the corresponding number in this option right here. Click on phone number and then type in your number, and click on done, and there will be an underline right here. So if you want to change that, you can also go to edit text and then remove the underline, but it will still be clickable. So once we click on preview, and then when we click our number, it will ask us to open an application for calling the number. But if you're using a phone, it will automatically call this number in your cell phone. And that is it. That's how we add a clickable phone number in our Wix website, and I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.